Hello, today I want to look at esters as a chemical family within aromatherapy. So esters are quite interesting. They're a derived substance and they occur whenever an alcohol or a phenol has a reaction with a plant acid, and then the finished product tends to reflect their parent alcohol or phenol. They are known to be quite safe. They have this aromatic aroma, this aromatic scent that's quite unique as a family, and even when they're in a blend in a really low concentration, the aroma will still come through. So they have this talent of being very aromatic, which is beautiful. What I want to use them for today is for a PMT roller blend. So whenever we get PMT or that starts to occur, we know that we're going to suffer at our time of the month. It's really helpful if we have just a really simple 10ml roller blend in our handbag, by our bed, on the office desk, that we can just apply to our pulses, apply to our lower stomach, and it'll help get the essential oils into our system and ease that cramping and that hormonal imbalance in our body. So the essential oil that I want to focus on is Clary sage. So Clary sage has been known forever to be the hormonal go-to. So it's used in labour to bring on labour. It's used to deal with the symptoms of menopause, but it's really, really good, I find, for PMT. So the reason I want to use it is because of its linalool acetate. So linalool acetate is, you've heard of me talk about it before, it's in over 40% in lavender. So it's a really popular ester component. I'm very fond of linalool acetate and I reach for that essential oils that are linalool acetate rich quite a lot, especially as my balancer and as my fragrant component. So Clary sage has high levels of linalool acetate. It's 54% linalool acetate on average. So in this blend I am going to use 4 drops of Clary sage. So I'm simply going to set 4 drops in here. So it's brilliant for balancing hormones, it's very supportive, and then the linalool acetate is brilliant for the aromatic as well. It really calms as well, and I don't know if you're anything like me, whenever the PMT sets in, my mood can get a bit unpredictable. So Clary sage really helps keep it calm, and everyone in my life really appreciates Clary sage at the time of the month. So the other thing I'm going to use is geranium. I'm going to use geranium in 3 drops, and it has 23% esters, so it's quite high in esters, and I'm going to use 3 drops. Geranium as well, it's beautiful aromatically, but it's brilliant to balance hormones, to calm your mood and to help with that PMT cramping situation. And then Ylang Ylang is the other one. Now I'm using it for a few reasons. It's 19% ester also, which is lovely, but I'm going to put it in 2 drops. I'm using it for the smell, but I'm using it for the sedative properties. It's really, really good at calming your nervous system. Very supportive whenever you are getting really stressed and PMT starting to affect your life, especially if it's with cramps and pains and things. So it's a really simple blend. The carrier I used is Argan oil. You can use any one you want. I like Argan for the antioxidant properties. So you put on your roller ball, put on your cap. Insomnia is really good. Ylang Ylang is really good for insomnia. So if you really do suffer and your central nervous system and your sleep's all affected, Ylang Ylang is brilliant in this blend. So you blend them together in your hand, like so. And the roller blend, you can use this in a massage blend either, but I like it in the roller blend so it's quick, it's handy. It's on, mine lives on my office desk, and I just reach for it whenever I can feel PMT kicking in. So LabRoma's analytics, as you'll see in the video, show you that this blend has the greatest impact on the reproductive system. It's a beautiful middle base note, so nice and calming, but not too sedative. And it in total is 42.6% ester and 28.4% linalool acetate. It smells absolutely beautiful. This is my hero and I've been using it for years, so try it and let me know if it becomes your hero as well.